Lava got you down. Let's turn up the heat on surviving inside a volcano. So, you found yourself inside a volcano. First, don't panic. Easier said than done, I know. Find a safe spot away from the lava. Remember, lava is like soup, but way less delicious and way more deadly. Next, you'll need some serious heat resistance. Think of it like a spicy sauna. Bring plenty of water and stay hydrated. Fashion a shield out of anything non-flammable. Rocks are your new best friends. And finally, call for help. Seriously, get out of there as soon as possible because, it's a volcano. Stay cool, stay alive. Catch you on the flip side.